Hey everyone, Live It Like Lisa here, and in today's video I will be turning this silver tray that I picked up from the thrift store for about $1 into a Hocus Pocus Halloween DIY decor item for my butler's pantry. So first of all, I'm just spray painting it in a matte black, and I gave it about 2 coats. Tray is now painted, it's all painted black, and what we're going to do now is transfer Hocus Pocus onto the tray. So how I do that, I'm going to actually paint it with some orange paint. What I'm going to do is I flip it over and I rub a heap of chalk on the back over the letters, get all the extras off. Now position where you want it to go. Now just get a pencil and trace over the lettering, and it should hopefully transfer the chalk onto your tray, and then you can pretty much use that as a stencil to then paint over it. So let's hope that works. Okay, so you can see you've got at least a bit of an outline there that you can go off, and then the rest we can just rub off later once it's painted on. So here's the finished tray now. I just added a couple of little star looking things on it to make it look a bit more hocus pocusy. And yeah, that was just a really quick and easy DIY for Halloween. You can see it's not 100% perfect, but you know, it's good enough. And when you look from far away, I think it looks pretty good. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, don't forget to click that red subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. That way you don't miss any videos that I bring out. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.